name's Dave DeChicchis. I'm a senior estimator here at Mascaro Construction. My dad was a contractor, my grandfather was a contractor, my aunt and uncle were architects. And so I started out working as a laborer in junior high and high school, but I grew to enjoy it and like the profession. So I then made the decision to go to college to develop a career in construction. So like most people in construction, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to be doing. And as I worked as a project engineer, as a field engineer, and an estimator, I started to gravitate towards estimating. The challenging part of estimating is really getting to know the client and understanding what they want, what they want to build, what their schedule is, all that information that goes along with the construction project, but really understanding the client and getting that relationship developed. Even though estimating is focused mostly on the price, schedule's a big part of that, and of course scope is, and that goes back to the client, understanding the client. What do they want to build, and what is the scope of work? What are you going to give the client, and how long you have to build it? I have a strong belief that you have to experience the field work, the management, the on-site management, estimating, because that way you can decide what you want to do moving forward. I highly recommend you get those experiences so you can develop your career and get into what you can do best. And I also am a firm believer that you have to have a mix of that to be a good estimator, to be a good superintendent, or be a good project manager. I believe that you can get into estimating if you don't go to college. It's going to be a little bit of a tougher road. I would recommend a technical school or even community college. And again, it's open. It's not the days of you have to have a civil engineering degree to become an estimator. Those are over. Some people that are older, that have been in the business for a while, may not agree with that, but that's the trend. Construction's dynamic, and the benefits are, for me, I've been able to work on some neat projects with a lot of really great people throughout the country. And I'm a firm believer, if you're willing to go pretty much anywhere and you're willing to work in any aspect of construction, you'll have a fulfilling career in construction.